We would like to close the video with memories of Tony, so we asked family and friends to describe him in as few words as possible. Here are their answers.
If I could sum up my dad in one word, it would be welcoming. He's very welcoming.
If I were to describe my dad in 1 or 2 words, I would describe him as a family man.
One word, I would actually use the word dreamer. He was a dreamer.
He was very giving and very quick to help others.
Amazing.
Excelencia, perseverancia.
Humildad.
No, pero no tengo la palabra.
Unstoppable.
Dedicated, focused.
Generous, kind, loving.
Y excelente persona, un amigo, un jefe, buen jefe.
I think kind.
Well, love of family, love of God. I mean, I would say love.
One word. Family.
Giving.
Like my brother said, family man. I would describe him as family man.
Son tantas. Determinado.